In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to connect AirPlay to Insignia TV. So let's get started. Now first you have to check your Insignia TV type. So we have three types. We have obviously the Fire TV, then we have the Roku TV, which looks something like this, and then we have some older non-smart Insignia TVs. Now first we're going to be talking about the Fire TV. Now here, the first step is to turn on your TV, go to settings, then select display and sounds and choose Apple AirPlay and HomeKit, and from there you're gonna turn AirPlay on. Now obviously AirPlay is there on most of the latest Fire TV versions from like 2020 onwards, so that shouldn't be a problem. Now once you've turned on this option, then you're gonna go ahead over to your iPad and scroll down the top right corner to open this control center. From here you're gonna click on the screen, these two screens you can see, and from here you're gonna choose your Insignia Fire TV. So once you do that, your iPad screen will appear on your Insignia Fire TV. Now, let's say that you have the Roku TV, which looks obviously something like this. Then it has limited AirPlay, but if you have a Roku OS 9.4 plus version, then AirPlay would be there. Also, another requirement is that your both devices should be on the same Wi-Fi network. This applies to both Fire and Roku TV. So make sure that your both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now here, you're gonna press home on the Roku remote, go to settings, then select Apple AirPlay and HomeKit and turn AirPlay on. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go up to Control Center, click on the screen mirroring option and choose your Roku TV. Now, let's suppose that you have some older TV that obviously doesn't support AirPlay. Then you're gonna go ahead and go for this option. You would need a USB-C to HDMI adapter, obviously for newer iPads if your charging port is a USB-C. So you'll have to purchase one of this from Amazon for a few dollars. And if you have an older iPad, you can obviously purchase lightning cable to HDMI adapter. So one end goes into your iPad and the other one is basically a simple HDMI connection. It works on the same principle as connecting your laptop to a monitor or your laptop to a TV. So it's the same way. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.